my channel. I miss you all, guys.
Hi guys. So Naomi, what are you gonna do today?
Someone brought me this present.
Who buy you? So
So-
guys, Naomi get this present. It was surprise. Yes. I hear the bell ringing and I'm thinking, who is that? And I said, who is that gift for? And they said, Naomi. So let's see who sent her this gift. It's a surprise. You ready, Naomi? Hold the box.
Can I open up?
Yes, open it up. Dun, 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 dun. Are you excited? Yeah? It's from here. Open up from here. Okay? Dun, dun, dun. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Naomi?
Yeah.
What is it? What is it? Open the card first. Let's see the card first. Card? Let's see the card. Let's see the card.
This?
Yes. Let's see the card first. Wow, what does it say? What does it say? Turn it around. Wow, your picture is on there. Oh, cute. Let's see. That's your picture. Naomi, happy birthday. So this is a late birthday present. Hi, Princess Naomi. Hi, Naomi. Hope you enjoy your birthday. Love from Auntie Janet.
Who's Auntie Janet?
Sister Janet.
That is in the hospital.
Yeah, tell her thank you.
Thank you. Love you. I love you so much. But again, I touch it again. I touch it because she will be well in the name of Jesus. Touch it, God. Touch it, God. She will be named of the name of Jesus. Jesus will heal us.
Amen.
The enemy and touch it, God. Amen.
Amen. Yes, guys, she's praying for Sister Janet. Yes. What is it?
Mermaid.
Oh, let's see. Sit. Wow. Yeah, let's see it. What's that?
It's a mermaid.
Do you like your gift?
Yeah, and it's an Ariel.
Ariel. Wow. So are you excited?
Yeah.
Let's open it up.
I want to eat tonight. Open up it now, and I'm so happy.
You're happy? Oh. But Naomi, you have a lot of doll.
Yeah.
You already have so much doll. You don't need no more.
Well, this is a mermaid doll.
Okay. So you like this one?
Yeah.
Oh.
I'm gonna use my teeth.
Try and open it up. Let's see. Let's do this. Oops.
I'm going to break it down. Wait.
We might have to get a knife.
Joel!
Joel is helping her.
Wow. Mommy, this one's not for babies. Wait, I can see the head. Wow. I'll show why you're breaking it. Oopsie.
Okay, give it to her now. Let's see, Naomi. Oh, okay.
I like this. Wow, so beautiful.
Let's see.
No. What is this for?
Oh, it's attached to it. You're gonna have to move it.
Can I open up this?
Okay, I'll help you. I'm coming. Naomi, let's see it. Oh,
And this,
red hair.
and guys, look, this can go in here. This,
Oh, really?
yeah.
Didn't know that.
And this comes with it because.
Oh, do you know? Oh, you know that.
Because I look in here, there was a hole in it, and I wanted this go in here.
Let's see. Oh, yeah, you are so right. Yeah, it should go right there. I didn't even know that. Wow, you did it yourself. Good job.
She can swim. Woo. That she can.
You can sit down now. Sit down. So what are you gonna do with it?
I'm going to play. I like this entry water. It's so quiet.
Yeah?
I like this entry water. It's so quiet.
Oh, you need to speak clear because I can't really understand you. What did you say?
I like this entry water. It's so quiet.
Oh, okay.
Ooh, I can swim. Look like we having a party. There's so much parents right here. Ooh. I wonder it can light, guys. I wonder. It can move. It can flap her tail.
So now you have your card, a beautiful card, and you have yourself a doll.
Yeah, and it can flap. Ooh.
Do you like it very much?
Yeah. I like it.
Say thank you, Auntie Janet.
Thank you, Auntie Janet.
I love you.
I love you. So fun. She's flapping her tail.
Okay.
She's too fun. She can't get up. Mommy, she can't get up.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, you know.
Because
Oh,
Mommy can't get up.
Oh, she can't walk.
No.
Oh.
She don't have any house.
Oh, okay.
She barely swim. I want to flap your tail and you to flash. I'm flashing the water. Flash, flash, flash. Flash, flash. Guys, I like this toy so much.
What you like about it?
I like the flapping team.
And what else?
And the hair.
The hair is what color?
Red.
Oh.
Because mermaids have red hair. They have different kind of hairs. I like it.
Okay.
Mommy,
Yeah?
this can't get off the crown.
Oh, no, I think it's stuck on there. It can't really get off.
Yeah. Maybe I have this that side.
Yeah.
Guys, do you want this? You have to tell your mom do you want to buy this. And it's like it can dance. La la la. And I like
Oh, it's dancing. Let's see dance. Let's see. Wow, it's dancing. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun,
she can
dun,
do
dun,
jump
dun,
flick.
dun, dun,
Look.
dun.
Mommy, look.
Ah, yeah, she jump flick. Wow.
She can swim with she.
Is it? Wow.
So fun.
Is it? Oh. So,
I would love you.
now we like our gift. You like your gift, Naomi?
Yeah.
You
It
like
can
it?
move.
Huh?
Can move.
It moving?
Yeah, it can move. Maybe it make off cheek.
Make a
Flap.
what?
I'm flapping. Flap, flap. She's slapping me in my head. Ow. She liked me very much. Guys, don't forget to watch my channel. Give me a thumbs up and watch my channel, please, because I like these stuff. Thank you. Bye.
Oh, you want people to watch your channel? But if you want them to watch your channel, you have to speak a lot. You have to be happy. You have to talk a lot. Okay? So guys, share Naomi video and support our channel. Naomi?
Say bye. 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 See you tomorrow. Bye. 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 Smile.